go. First order of the day, Burger King, $10, going about 3 miles. Don't even know if their lobby's open yet, so I'm gonna try the drive-thru.
Pick up on the left.
Oh my god. Next order up is for IHOP. $10 going about 5 miles. Might be early enough in the morning to where no one's there yet, so this might be ready.
All right,
Thank you. All right, next up, got a stacked Walmart order. Total said $33 for about 8 miles.
You the only one working back there?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
All right, thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
the wait. I'm so sorry.
You're all good. Quite the wait. Hopefully I can drop these off pretty easily though. Hopefully no one needs to leave. I'm parked in front of everybody. I mean, besides the parking, that was a really easy drop off. It was less than 5 minutes away from the Walmart. Not bad at all. I just wish the pickup was a little quicker. Could have banged that out in like less than 30 minutes. I accidentally accepted this 7-Eleven order, but I'll do it anyways. It is $8 going like 4 miles.
You're picking up
Yes.
this right in.
Thank you. Perfect.
Perfect time.
There you are.
Thank you.
Next order up is for Starbucks. $7 and some change going like 3 miles.
Thank you. Oh, thanks.
Thank you. Next up, I took a Krispy Kreme order, $9 for about 4 miles. Last time I was there, their lobby was closed and I ended up leaving. Hopefully that's been changed. Drive-through is about normal. Few cars in the parking lot. I think the lobby should be open. What does that say? I think that just said, please use the other door. Thank you. Here's building M, second left. Have a great day. Okay. It's always upstairs.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Thank you. That customer actually gave me good instructions. They included the gate code and they wished me a great day. Shout out to them. One thing they could improve on though is customers should move downstairs. Anyways, I got my next order. It is a Starbucks, $10 for about 4 miles.
Just have my coffee on the
Rachel and Jerry. Thank you for your patience, guys.
All right, no more Starbucks from here today. That order was not worth it whatsoever. It was way too busy in there. I should have just left. Got my next order though. Sees the bagel, $8 going about 4 miles. Man, this place is packed too. Thank you. Yeah, if that order was not ready, I was going to unassign it. I saw the amount of tickets they had. It was just way too busy. DoorDash is down again. That's 2 days in a row. Not like I was getting any good orders from them, but still, man, wow. They are on a roll. All right, DoorDash has been down for like 30 minutes. Uber Eats has slowed down drastically since my last order. I think I'm just gonna call it a day. Current time is 11 on the dot. Current total is 85. And I have 2 Uber tips yet to come in. Should put me just under $100 for the day. Anyways, I'm gonna start heading home. So that is gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.